Hello friends, welcome to Pro Talent and I am Nitin Parmar. I welcome you all for today's current affair module. दोस्तों, we are giving you capsule wise current affair, that is point by point. I'm sure you will gain a lot of advantage about this. So we are talking about Jalvayu Parivartan, which is climate change, and recently climate change performance index came out और इसीलिए हमें ये इंडेक्स समझना बहुत जरूरी है। आपको याद होगा दैट यूनाइटेड नेशन के सेक्रेटरी जनरल मिस्टर एंटोनियो गुतेरेस ने कहा था दैट इट इज अ टाइम दैट द वर्ल्ड कंट्रीज शुड अनाउंस climate change emergency. Okay, now this is a big comment to be made. In many newspaper, it was a small part being covered. Okay, possibly they may not be, you can say, taking it very seriously, but you know that if we don't take this seriously, we are going to face a lot of problem. Anyway, let us understand that who developed this index, why it is in the news, इंडिया का क्या था, इंडिया का पास्ट रैंक क्या था, अभी कौन सा रैंक है, क्या क्या पैरामीटर में हम कर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, ये सब हम बात इस सेशन में करेंगे। सबसे पहली बात, इंडिया इन अ सेकेंड टाइम इन अ रो we came to top 10 rank, okay, in CCPI index. Okay, so in 2020 we are at 10 number, in 19 we were at 9th number, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14th we were not at good points. Okay, so now we are in top 10. Okay, now look at the first three ranks. Okay, which are those countries? Oh, none of the country achieved that rank. Great, this is very challenging दोस्तों, कोई भी country ये हासिल नहीं कर पाई. So basically क्लाइमेट चेंज परफॉर्मेंस इंडेक्स क्या बताने की कोशिश करता है दोस्तों? क्लाइमेट चेंज, यू कैन से, परफॉर्मेंस इंडेक्स इज पब्लिश्ड बाय वन जर्मन वॉच, and you can say that is an organization called German Watch, ठीक है, which is a new climate institute and climate action network annually since 2005 से ये लोग करते हैं. उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव है that they are trying to survey 57 countries along with the European Union, which makes it to some around 26 countries. So in nutshell, we are looking at some around 80 plus countries are being observed under this. ठीक है, these countries together they generate 90% of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are emitted by these countries and that amount is 90%. So that means it looks pretty good to do a survey, okay, and develop index. So here the CCPI will enhance transparency in international climate politics. When a country says that we are committed towards reducing this climate change impact, what actions you are doing, show to us. This is what the index is being provided. There are four categories. One, greenhouse gas emissions, yes or no? So in greenhouse gas emission, what you are doing as a country, are you trying to keep certain standards so that the overall items, the greenhouse gases are emission is happening in a reduced manner? Number two, are you putting efforts in renewable energy? Okay. Number three, how are you using the energy? Are you using in more way or do you have methods of energy efficiency? And then climate policy. What kind of policies and the laws you are making? Okay. For example, are you bringing BS6 standard, that is emission standards? Are you developing those kind of standards? Do you have a plan for nationwide wherein you try to reduce this Jalvayu Parivartan? Yes or no? This is what they try and see. Okay, so there are total 14 indicators, 4 parameters, one by one. Let us see this. Okay, in this entire CCPI, this, you can say, top 3 ranks were not provided, saying that they couldn't reach to that level, which is very good. So उन्होंने उस तरीके से काम ही नहीं किया. Only two G20 countries like UK and India are among the high rankers. Let me come back to the rankers. Okay, let's see this. Who are at fourth position? This is Sweden, then Denmark, sorry, UK, then Denmark, Morocco, Norway. Now look at this: Sweden, Denmark, Norway, Scandinavian countries. Morocco is surprisingly at a new entrant. Okay, Chile is also doing good. So that means these countries are doing definitely good. There is no USA, there is no Germany, there is no China, Russia coming into the picture. Okay, so that means these are the countries possibly spending more money on, you can say, creating all the more trouble to the earth. Okay, let's come back to our discussion. Okay, so 6 of the other G20 nations like USA, Canada, South Korea, Russia, Australia, and Saudi Arabia are ranked at the bottom of the index. This is second time in a row USA ranked the last. Okay, this is very important for us to understand. It is largest historical polluter, okay, in this entire system. Okay, and then USA is pressurizing all the other countries to sign climate change pact. Cannot be acceptable. Okay, anyway, पेरिस क्लाइमेट चेंज जो 2015 में हुआ था, जिसका रेटिफिकेशन, ठीक है, जो हो गया, उसका इंप्लीमेंटेशन दैट विल कम इनटू द फोर्स बाय 2020. ठीक है, और उसमें यूएसए तो ऑब्वियसली काम नहीं कर रहा है. चाइना, which is the biggest current emitter of greenhouse, it is ranked at 33rd position in CCPI report. Okay, so this is very challenging. What is India's performance? India's performance was at 10th position in 2020. 2019 we were at 9th position. So in individual categories, what India has done: renewable energy, India had a target of developing 450 gigawatt of energy through renewable sources by 2030. Okay, this is what the target we are keeping. Now this target we have capped for ourselves by the idea called INDC, which is called intended nationally determined contribution. This is what we will pledge in a climate action plan. Okay, number two, if we talk about emissions, we started doing well. Okay, though our rank is 12th in the entire category, we started BS6 emissions norms. Yes or no? So I'm sure you know that BS6 is coming. We have actually skipped BS5. So you may answer, what is BS6? It is called Bharat Standard 6, which is about vehicles. Our vehicles have pollution. Okay, they emit a lot of, you can say, gases. So to reduce it, we have this idea of norms. So BS6 is a very clean system. Okay, climate policy. What kind of climate policy we have? We have started National Action Plan on climate change, not just by the central government, but we also expect state government to implement them. Okay, so we are doing good in it. We are at 13th position. Okay, and then energy use, we are better. We are at 10th position. We have a very good, you can say, system called National Mission for Enhanced Energy, which is obviously part of NAPCC. Okay, but wherein we are trying to provide consumer products in an efficient manner. There are not a lot of wastages are happening. Okay, so this is how India has worked well in climate change performance index. Okay, so India is doing wonderfully well. If you like this, okay, always remember the number 9, okay, that is of last year, number 10 of this year. Okay, कोई country नहीं है. ठीक है, what are the suggestions for India to mitigate climate change? ठीक है, we need to ensure that we reduce fuel subsidies, and if we are reducing fuel subsidies, people will be having costly fuel available, so they may possibly reduce their usage. Coal has to be phased out in terms of generating energy. Okay, electricity today we are using a lot of coal. Okay, better coordination between central and the state government and raising self-sufficiency in the domestic sector in the renewable market. So in the renewable energy, this domestic companies should become self-sufficient. This is what being suggestion provided by climate change performance index. So कौन बनाता है इसको? I'm sure you know that. इंडिया का रैंक क्या है ये आपको पता चला, टॉप 3 में कौन है वो आपको पता चला, बॉटम में कौन है वो भी आपको पता चला. I'm sure this will give you a very good learning. Thank you very much for watching this and do not miss out to like this video, subscribe to our channel, tell to large number of people to be part of Pro Talent. Okay, thank you, have a great day.